Understanding the phrase, old hat. A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, old hat. Have you ever heard someone say that something is old hat and wondered what they meant? Well, you're in the right place to find out. Let's dive in together and understand what this phrase means, how to use it, and look at some examples. The phrase, old hat, is an idiomatic expression in English. When something is described as old hat, it means that it is outdated, not new, or familiar to the point of being boring. It's often used to refer to ideas, styles, or activities that were popular or common in the past but are no longer considered interesting or exciting in the present. The origins of old hat are somewhat unclear, but it is believed to have been in use since the early 20th century. It may have originated from the way fashion trends, especially in hats, change over time. When a particular style of hat became common and widely worn, it eventually went out of fashion, becoming old hat. Using old hat in a sentence is quite straightforward. You can use it as an adjective to describe something that is outdated or no longer interesting. Here are a few examples. 1. Using a flip phone in this day and age is considered old hat. 2. Her methods of teaching are so traditional and old hat. She needs to try something new to engage her students. 3. Watching movies on DVD is kind of old hat now that we have streaming services. There are several other expressions in English that convey a similar meaning to old hat. Here are a few. 1. Outdated. No longer current or in fashion. 2. Out of style. Not in fashion anymore. 3. Passé. No longer fashionable or in style. Understanding these similar expressions can help you broaden your English vocabulary and express yourself more accurately. And that's a wrap on old hat. I hope this video has helped clarify what this phrase means and how you can use it in your own conversations and writing. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a fantastic way to sound more like a native speaker and to enrich your English language skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.